Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy here, MC, and welcome back to Swahili Nation, Swahili to the world. Guys, it's good to be back, and I thank God for a new day, the day after Christmas. I hope you all had an amazing Christmas, and now you're preparing for the new year 2021. I thank God it's a new beautiful day, and as you can see, the setting has changed. One of the vision for 2021, it was to improve the audio of my videos, but as well as finding a proper studio to do what I'm doing right now. Right now I'm just doing it in my room, and this is my lock. Actually, this is where I keep my clothes and everything. So this is my room. My bed is right there, my TV is right there, and it's my room basically. But hopefully God will help us to move actually to studio and continue to create good content that you guys will enjoy. So if you're new, don't forget to subscribe, and there's a link in the comment section. I pinpoint, if you click that link, it will help you to join. I will lead you direct to join the membership here in Swahili Nation, and that will help us to continue to improve our content that we are doing here in Swahili Nation. But not only that, guys, feel free to actually use Super Chat right now. As you're watching, you can use Super Chat, and that as well, it will help us to continue to improve the content we're doing here in Swahili Nation. Alright guys, without wasting time, I'll just rush right away to do reaction for Enyo Fancho and Gildo Casa. The name of the song called Bichalesh. Help me out in the comment section. Let me know the meaning of Bichalesh. I would really appreciate. Let me say something about New Year. New Year in Swahili, you can say Mwaka Mpya. Mwaka Mpya. Mwaka is a year, Mpya is a new. So Mwaka Mpya. That's why if you want to say Happy New Year, you can simply say Heri ya Mwaka Mpya. Heri is like happy, Heri ya Mwaka Mpya. Or you can say Mwaka Mpya Mwema. Mwema is like have a good Mwaka Mpya. Mwaka Mpya Mwema. Or you can just say Heri ya Mwaka Mpya. I think that sounds so much better. Anyways guys, without wasting time, I'm gonna go ahead to do reaction, and I'll try to stop before 10 seconds to keep up with the copyright reasons and copyright issues to protect this YouTube channel. Alright, let's go ahead. Go. Alright. Okay. Okay. Come on. Man. Hey, man, I love this. I've done reaction for this kind of beat with Yaledi. I've done this before, so let me know, guys, if maybe it's the same producer. Come on. Hey. Woo. Come on. And it's my first time to react on somebody like this guy. Dang. That's a good one right here. Woo. Come on. Come on. Hey. Again, Ethiopian beauty right there. You see that beauty right there, guys? You see that beauty right there? Come on. Oh, Bichaleshi. What is that? What is that? Come on. Come on. Bichaleshi, yeah, yeah. Bichaleshi, come on. Let's just appreciate this guy's voice, man. This guy, he has really an amazing voice, man. Do you hear that voice? Dang, this guy has singing voice. Let's go. Come on. Why do you have to do this while I'm singing? Ah, man, come on, man. Oh, come on, man. Give me a break right here. Hey. Come on. Woo. New Year vibe right here, man, guys. New Year vibe right here, man. Come on, man. Come on, let's go. Yeah. Woo. Hey, come on, man. This beat, man. I mean, this music is almost the same as in my country. You know, it's music, man. It's. Yeah, yeah. Woo. Raise up, hands up, heads up. And Look at these guys, man. These guys, they're making this video better right now. I just love when you have this team that are dancing anyhow, you know what I'm saying? Hey. But they guys, help me out in the comment section as well. This is the location of Ethiopia as well, right? Yeah, I would love to know that. Come on. Yeah. Here we go. Come. I wonder, Bichaleshi. Is it something like my beautiful one? Is it something like Bichaleshi? Is it something like it's explaining about this really beautiful girl that he loves? You know what I'm saying? Like, yo, you're my only one. I will never leave you. Yeah, Bichaleshi. Come on. Hey. This looks like hotel, man. It looks like, yeah, I think it could be hotel right here. I'm to riding up Chidiro. I'm to riding. Oh man, come on. I'm just trying to learn your language, guys. So don't get mad. Come on. Chidiro. Chidiro. Come on. 1, 2, 3. Here we go. Here we go. Chidiro. Come on. Yeah. Come on. Here we go. Come on, come on. Taking all the way in, all the way down, all the way up, all the way across here, taking over the globe. Come on. Come on. Here we go, yo. Come on, man. Come on, man. Oh my goodness, I'm loving this already, man. Rico, Rico, Rico. This New Year vibe right here, guys. Oh dang, man. Yeah. But then I realized this type of songs, a lot of Ethiopians don't like it. I mean, at least people who are following me, they basically, they don't even want to see it sometimes, you know. Sometimes they're like, oh, this is not Ethiopian music, you know. Stop playing this music. So I'm not sure about if you guys, you're okay with this music right now. Come on. Hey. Hey. Come on. Check it out. Check it out. Yeah. Just break down. Come on. That's it, guys. Bichalesh. Bichalesh. That's it for today, guys. Appreciate it. Let me know in the comment section what the meaning of Bichalesh, and if my guess was correct, just let me know, or you can correct me in the comment section. And also let me know about this music. You know, what do you think? If you don't really like this music, I don't know, but I love the vibe. I like it, so I did reaction for it. So but I really appreciate you guys for supporting and for always being there. Keep supporting, and you can just click the link in the comment section. It would lead you to a place where you can actually join as a member and support us every single month, and there will be a benefit of that. All the description is in the description section, so please head over there and check it out, whatever that you want to know. And also don't hesitate to reach out through our email, SwahiliNation official@gmail.com, or Swahili Nation world@gmail.com. Let us know whatever concerns you have, whatever suggestions, whatever you have. Just email us and we'll go through them in the due time. All in all, guys, I appreciate it. Thank you so much. Until next time, Swahili Nation, Swahili to the world. Love one another and spread peace wherever you are. That's what we gotta do. All right, I'm out of here.
Rio.